This video tutorial I will explain how to change the default port number in Spring Boot programmatically. Here I have defined a class Hello World application, which is a Spring Boot application, and it implements Web Server Factory Customizer interface and provide implementation of customize method. Inside customize method, I am setting the port number as 9090. Default port of Spring Boot application is 8080. Here I am changing to 9090. Here you can see Spring Boot application is started in 9090 port. Here we got the output. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.